Sundskeuttiemyyrille hyvä.
Yeah, today is the 21st of July 2021. We have Norokuja 4, Finland. Staircase C, the last staircase in this residential building. And it seems the occupied indicator doesn't work here.
Yeah.
It was built in 1974 by ValmetSchlieren and turned 45 years old in 2019. The serial number is VS3796 and it will be inspected in 2023. This one has 6 floors. Let's divide it. I think the staircase B is the best one as it has the original interior completely and also the indicators work perfectly. And you see the indicator is not perfect, but yeah, so B is the best one here.
Inspektiivpäin liftiinstituutet ValmetSchlieren.
This is Myyrmäki, Länsi-Vantaa, Västra-Vantaa, Västra-Vantaa here in the Helsinki region, Norokuja, Nyland, Finland. And let's go back to the ground floor.
Or basement.
Yeah, it's actually the basement floor.
Yeah, the ground floor is between floors B and 1.
Yeah, yes, true. That's why there could have been K here instead.
Yeah.
And that's it, and thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the staircases A and B, and especially the B is the best one here. A lot of these in the building.
That's